Hi, there are a lot of reviews of this keyboard on the internet, so I decided to make something between unboxing practice and my own case of this keyboard, okay? This is Xbox, which delivers mass natural type and ready layout design. Goodbye, typewriter. I'm a software developer and it was important to get rapid typing experience, and I've got it because this keyboard unleashed my power. This is the second one. The first one I got 2 months ago, and I paid for it 230 USD. Shipping service was included in this price, so let's check it out.
Guys, find this keyboard in 2 boxes. First box is outside, and inside this box is the second one. Looks great, yeah? Just a second. The keyboard itself. The magic white box. Look inside. And what is it? Type A Type-C cable. And keycap remover. Very convenient thing, I promise. Rubber stressed. Sounds great. Can you hear it? Go back to the keyboard. Yeah, it is billet back. I don't know what material is it. Please leave the comment below. In Russia we call it valenki. Yeah, that's cool. I have to plug it in and I'll come back.
Okay, you can see that the backlight of this keyboard is not as bright enough as you want. Looks like some kind of a bummer, yes, but honestly, in my opinion, it's not important because you can see color of each key separately if you have strong light as I have this moment. This instance equipped with gather and brown key switches, which are very quiet. I was surprised. If you have child in the same room, then it's no problem to type something like anything. Let me take the time to tell my use case of this keyboard. I use the right alt keys as my inventory switch to second layer. I don't use right alt keys, so I decided to use it for this purpose. So I have right, left, up, down, home, and space, delete, page up, page down, insert, tab, and enter in the center. I think it's most comfortable way to navigate the text without extra movements from alphabetical space. And in this way, thumbs do great work from behind to far position next to Control and Shift modifiers. What I really miss is bigger thumb box space to use more modifiers with my thumbs. Minus and plus, I am a very useful case, and they was too far for first 2 weeks, but it's no problem to move it programmatically. I'm wondering if there will be special edition of the stuff, not for writers, yet more for code guys, but who knows. I hope this video was helpful. Sorry about English. Bye.